Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm excited to announce that I have hit 90 patrons on Patreon. Many of you remember that I've been saying for a while, the moment I hit 90 patrons, I'm going to be doing a free-to-enter giveaway for everybody, not just patrons. If you're watching this video right now, you can win this knife, and all you have to do is comment something down below. You can comment whatever. As long as it's appropriate for YouTube, you can say whatever you want. I don't mind. We use a comment picker that filters out duplicate comments, so you can comment as many times as you want, but you're only going to get one entry. So it'll make this super duper easy. I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who has supported me on Patreon. I know I say this all the time. I literally say it in every single video, but this channel cannot function without the help of my patrons, and that's why I'm able to bring you guys content every single day. So thank you so much to the people who you know, jump in and support me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, get your hands on some cool stickers, and check out some of the other exclusive benefits, there is a link down in the description where you can check that out. We have a lot of fun there. I am very active on Patreon, as many of my patrons will tell you down in the comment section. That is, it's very, very important to me, as is the YouTube channel. So I'd also like to say thank you to everybody who's watching, which is why I make these giveaways available to everybody. It's you know, the support of the people, you know, the people who want to support me, that's great. They keep the channel going. I can keep content flowing and give it to you guys, and I can make an item available for everybody to win, everybody who's associated with my channel in any way, shape, or form. So thank you so much to everybody. Go ahead and leave your comment, and whatever the date is on this video, it'll likely be 1 week from that date or sometime in there. I don't know exactly when I'm going to do it, but if you're subscribed and your notifications are set to all, you'll get a notification the day that I announce the winner. You do have to be at least 18 years of age to enter and win this knife. You also have to be able to provide an address within the continental United States. Why? Because I can't ensure that a package will get to the person who wins if they live outside of the continental United States. I insure my packages when I ship them. If I'm shipping a knife back to a generous viewer who lent me his or her knife, it's always insured, so that way, you know, if the knife gets lost, I can at least cover it. I cannot insure that if it leaves the United States. So if you live outside of the United States, that doesn't mean you can't enter. You just need to be able to provide an address within the continental United States. So a friend, a family member, somebody from the knife community that you trust really, really well, if you can, you know, work it out with them and provide me their address, I can ship it to them, and then they can find a way to get it to you. I want everybody to be included, but again, you know, you have to be at least 18 years of age. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. I'm really, really excited. Rest assured, you know, anybody who doesn't know, I like to do this roughly every 10 patrons. So we did one, I think the first one we did was like at, what was it, 20 or 30, and then we did 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We'll do another one at 100, absolutely. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys have an excellent rest of the day. Thanks so much.